Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to Vedic Heritage. Each day of the week is dedicated to the worship of specific gods or goddesses in the Hindu pantheon. The days are named after the planet ruling the day. Saturday is named after the planet Saturn or Shanishvara. Prayers on this day are dedicated to alleviating the influence of planet Shani, which can be challenging. A Hindu's first reaction when we mention Shani is fear. We associate this planet with ill effects and troubles, but this planet is supposed to help our evolution by offering challenges whenever it influences our life. To overcome these challenges, we are encouraged to pray to certain deities who can help us navigate this period. People visit the Shanishvara shrine or Navagraha shrines on Saturday to appease this planet to be less harsh on them. Neelanjanasamabhasam Raviputram Yamagrajam Chhayamartandasambhutam Tam Namami Shanaischaram. Neelanjanasamabhasam Raviputram Yamagrajam Chhayamartandasambhutam Tam Namami Shanaischaram. Neelanjanasamabhasam Raviputram Yamagrajam Chhayamartandasambhutam Tam Namami Shanaischaram. While this is followed widely, we must remember that planets too are products of the Supreme God's creation and plan. Therefore, the ultimate power still rests with the one supreme existence, whatever be the name we may choose to give it. We therefore pray to deities like Lord Hanuman, the bestower of strength, or Lord Ganesha, the destroyer of obstacles, to help during troubled times. Navy blue is the preferred color on Saturday. Some choose black. I will explain more in detail about Shanishvara worship in the video on the Navagrahas. Saturday is also special for Lord Venkateshwara in South India, Goddess Kali along with Lord Shiva in Bengal, and Lord Hanuman in most regions. Let us look at some shlokas for all these deities. Gajavaktram surashreshtam karnachamara bhushitam pashankushadharam devam vandeham gananayakam. Gajavaktram surashreshtam karnachamara bhushitam pashankushadharam devam vandeham gananayakam. Gajavaktram surashreshtam karnachamara bhushitam pashankushadharam devam vandeham gananayakam. Buddhir balam yasho dhairyam nirbhayatvam arogatam ajadyam vakpatutvam cha hanumat smaranat bhavet. Buddhir balam yasho dhairyam nirbhayatvam arogatam ajadyam vakpatutvam cha hanumat smaranat bhavet. Buddhir balam yasho dhairyam nirbhayatvam arogatam ajadyam vakpatutvam cha hanumat smaranat bhavet. Kamalakuchachuchuka kumkumato niyatarunitatulanīlatano Kamalayatalocanalokapate vijayi bhavenkatashailapaते. Kamalakuchachuchuka kumkumato niyatarunitatulanīlatano Kamalayatalocanalokapate vijayi bhavenkatashailapaते. Kamalakuchachuchuka kumkumato niyatarunitatulanīlatano Kamalayatalocanalokapate vijayi bhava venkatashailapaते. गलद्रक्तमुण्डावळी कण्ठमाला महोघोररावासुदंष्ट्राकराळा विवस्त्रा श्मशानालया मुक्तकेशी महाकालकामाकुला कालिकेयम् गलद्रक्तमुण्डावळी कण्ठमाला महोघोररावासुदंष्ट्राकराळा विवस्त्रा श्मशानालया मुक्तकेशी महाकालकामाकुला कालिकेयम् गलद्रक्तमुण्डावळी कण्ठमाला महोघोररावासुदंष्ट्राकराळा विवस्त्रा श्मशानालया मुक्तकेशी महाकालकामाकुला कालिकेयम् जयन्ती मङ्गला काली भद्रकाली कपालिनी दुर्गा शिवा क्षमा धात्री स्वाहा स्वधा नमोस्तुते जयन्ती मङ्गला काली भद्रकाली कपालिनी दुर्गा शिवा क्षमा धात्री स्वाहा स्वधा नमोस्तुते जयन्ती मङ्गला काली भद्रकाली कपालिनी दुर्गा शिवा क्षमा धात्री स्वाहा स्वधा नमोस्तुते काली काली महाकाली कालिके परमेश्वरी सर्वानन्दकरी देवी नारायणी नमोस्तुते काली काली महाकाली कालिके परमेश्वरी सर्वानन्दकरी देवी नारायणी नमोस्तुते काली काली महाकाली कालिके परमेश्वरी सर्वानन्दकरी देवी नारायणी नमोस्तुते यत्र यत्र रघुनाथकीर्तनम् तत्र तत्र कृतमस्तकाञ्जलिम् बाष्पवारि परिपूर्णलोचनम् मारुतिं नमत राक्षसान्तकम् यत्र यत्र रघुनाथकीर्तनम् तत्र तत्र कृतमस्तकाञ्जलिम् बाष्पवारि परिपूर्णलोचनम् मारुतिं नमत राक्षसान्तकम् यत्र यत्र रघुनाथकीर्तनम् तत्र तत्र कृतमस्तकाञ्जलिम् बाष्पवारि परिपूर्णलोचनम् मारुतिं नमत राक्षसान्तकम्. Benefits of Saturday worship. Shanishwara worship helps to reduce distress during periods of Saturn's influence. Ganesha worship helps achieve strength of mind and wisdom to tackle challenges, destroys obstacles in our path. Hanuman worship gives strength and courage to face all challenges, attain peace of mind, and destroys any negative influences. Lord Venkateshwara worship grants fulfillment of all wishes, gives a happy family life and welfare of children, generates prosperity. Mother Goddess or Ma Kali worship. This cosmic mother figure rises fiercely to protect her children. Destroyer of evil and bestower of auspiciousness, worshipping her gives protection from all adversities, provides relief from difficulties, dispels fear, brings happiness and well-being, fulfills worldly aspirations, and helps transformation of consciousness. Hope this video was helpful to you. Do check out the other videos for worship on different days of the week. Do subscribe, like and comment. Remember to press the notification button to be alerted when new videos are uploaded. Thank you for watching. Hari Om.